Oh, and we get a meal. We'll keep you updated with the siblings and Jennifer. It'll be a fun time.
Out here, though.
It is. Let me give you a pan. Okay. Look at this. Look at these trees. Very nice little shed. Very nice. Very nice. There's a chicken. Okay, this next part is an overview of the farm and everything that was there. Look at you! Look at the doggies! Hello!
Will they like bite us?
No, I don't think so. Hello? Oh, you thought I was a carrot. You tried to bite us.
Wait, who are coming? Who are coming? Oh, no, I'm done. Where do I go?
Welcome back to the vlog in the forest.
Yeah! You can give a forest tour.
Imagine we just see a chicken floating down.
Oh! Its leg.
Ow.
Algae finding. Ah! Pine cone! Okay. Yeah, here comes Lily. It's not that cold. She's so dramatic. Oh, she's taking off the shoes.
My toes for this.
Oh, man. Oh, going shoeless.
Oh!
Ouchie. Oh. Yeah, you gotta wash them out. Here comes Lily. Oh, there they go. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I think I got.
It's really cold.
It feels good, though. Here comes the crew. We're all in the water now.
It's chilly. I don't know how I feel about this.
I love it. I'm following Brandon. Look at Brandon. There he is. Oh, this is getting tricky up here.
See it?
Crawdad sighting.
No.
That's a lot, stripey.
Am I blind?
Yeah.
I can point it out.
It's right there.
How do you all see it?
I'm gonna jump.
Lobsters are.
I'm gonna go around.
1, 2. Oh! Oh! Sinking! Oh! Oh! Oh!
That's some type of meat.
No, that looks like a plant.
No, it looks like a chicken.
Looks like a lettuce.
It's a chicken.
No, it is not.
Lily, there's a bone. Pick it up.
it is
I
not.
dare you. Lily, pick it up then.
It's meat.
Oh.
Dirty meat, Lily.
Yeah, it's probably from some animal that came here tonight.
Girls in nature.
Do you buy tickets, Morgan?
No.
For the good.
Oh.
I want to farm now.
Very fun time. Very fun time. Loved it. We look a little bit tireder, but you know,
My car
it was a good
not
time.
moving.
There you go.
There we go. I think it was in a little soft
Fixed
spot.
it. Now we're gonna go
Oh, yeah,
get.
but you can see.
It's okay. Now we're off to get some Slurpees because I really want a Slurpee. You want a Slurpee? Okay, that's it for this vlog. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and come back for more. Bye, y'all.